Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Really excited today. I'm doing a unboxing for you guys of the Einhell drag, crosscut and Mitre Saw. I have been wanting one of these for a long time, and I know this is a slight divergence from my usual on my channel with 3D printing, but this is very much what my channel is about, is DIY, doing things yourself and really getting in there and going. So I want to do a video on this Mitre Saw. I bought this Mitre Saw myself. I would like to give toolcraft.co.za a shout out, even though they did not sponsor this video. Go and check out their Einhell tools and their selection of tools. They've really got really good prices. I picked this up for an amazing price, never before seen price on one of these units. So I'm really excited about this. So I'm going to unbox this with you. I have cut the tape, but I haven't unboxed anything. I haven't looked at anything myself, so this will be the first time I'm seeing inside as well, and I'm super excited. I believe that this tool is going to help me with my woodwork. I did all of this here with just a normal handheld circular saw, and I'm really looking forward to using a decent high quality tool like this. Now, why Einhell? Well, I've sort of like jumped into the Einhell ecosystem. This is not a battery operated, this is power operated, but all my other Einhell tools are battery operated. I'm super excited about what they offer and obviously the quality that comes from it, the German design quality. This is a German product out of Germany, and really I'm amazed by the quality of these tools. I love the versatility of my handheld tools where I just pop a battery and away I go, easy setup, easy go and get going. So I'm going to be building in my workshop. I'm going to be building a table. I'll be putting this saw on there and I'll be using it there from now on. But I wanted to share this tool with you guys. It's a great opportunity. So I'm going to do this video on this tool and you guys see what you do. We might even try a cut here in the office. I'm a little bit scared about that, but we've got to turn this machine on and see how it works. So without further ado, let's see what we get in the box and let's check this out. So, okay, so in the box we get a manual, which is obvious. Okay, so you get a manual with a Allen key, right? And then we start going. This here is to hold a piece of wood firmly on your build surface. So while you're cutting, it keeps it securely fastened. And then these here, I believe, are the steps for. I don't know actually. Don't know. We'll have to figure that out. All right. The next thing is a very small dust bag. This is tiny. It's going to get filled up so quickly, but I'll probably put a shop vac or something like that onto this machine. Great. So let's get rid of that. That's the first part. Oh, hang on. Why am I hearing something else in here? Oh, there we go. There's two other items. Sorry. There's these two screws. All right. So let's take this plastic off here. This machine looks like it's a great quality machine. Yeah, this is going to be a mission to get out of the box, but let's try. Okay, now that we have this tool out of its box, let's try and figure out how to unlock everything. So I believe if you pull this knob here, that lifts up your saw so that it is ready to go. And yeah, that allows that. I've got my freedom of motion here, which is locked here. We've got our angle, which can be, so that can be set on this side and then locked into place over there, so that's at 0 degrees. On the front here where my thumb is, there's a button that you press and that allows you to set your angle. So that is now locked in at 0. That is locked in at 0 and everything is locked in. Great. It's got a beautiful motion, a beautiful slide motion. As I say, it cuts to 305 mils. So we've got a decent all the way through motion there where we can cut. Wow, this is a really nice looking tool. It really looks great. It apparently does have a laser as well that projects a laser light across your work. So shall we plug this thing in and just give it a bit of a test run and see what it's like? Right, now that we have the machine plugged in, shall we check out some of the other parts? So I'm very keen on setting up this here, which will hold my piece of wood in place. So I'm just going to lock this in here. And we'll wind this up a little bit. So this all allows you to have a specific depth. Right, okay. I've got this piece of wood here, which I'm just going to use to clamp in, and we'll do a test cut on that. But I want to be safe, so I'm going to clamp this down nice and tight. I see there's only one of these. I was hoping for another one for this side to hold the wood this side, but that should be enough. Okay, I will hold it tight. It locked quite nicely into the 0 position, so once we have that angle set, I think we can lock everything in place, and now we are locked and ready to go. At the top here, we've got a button that will turn the laser on. I just want to have a look at that. It draws a nice line. Oh, do you see that? You guys see that? That nice line across the piece of wood there. Hopefully you can see that on this camera here. I've got this nice line where exactly where I'm going to cut. So I'm quite excited about that because it's always nice to know exactly where the blade is going to go. I'm not exactly sure what the blade thickness of this is to offset, but with the laser line we know where things are going, and I really appreciate that, and especially in such a low cost item. The quality in this is next level. What I'm going to quickly do is I'm going to cut into this piece of wood. Let's see how it goes. And well, first let's put our dust bag on, because if we want to just try keep the office as clean as possible, so obviously I need to clean up afterwards, but there's our dust bag on there. We can also 3D print a adapter here to put it onto our office vac quite easily. So yeah, very excited this. I'm actually really excited about this machine. I've never had a crosscut saw. I have always wanted one, and I have finally got one. So shall we give this a try? I won't be able to speak during the cutting process, but I will give you my opinions straight after. What a clean cut. That is such a gorgeous clean cut. I'll try to put it onto this camera or this camera to show you how clean that cut is. It's a beautiful clean cut. No excitement, no drama. And the one thing that I saw that was really interesting is when I cut, the laser was always just on the very left hand side of the blade, giving it so that you can line it up to your alignment, and you'll know that you're cutting not in the middle of your cut to make your cut slightly shorter. So wherever you draw your line, this will cut it exactly on the line. Obviously that means that you want your measured side out on the left and your off-cut side out on the right, and that will allow the laser to line up and give you that perfect cut. Guys, I am super stoked about this machine. If you like this video, please whack us a subscribe there. Give me a like on the like button below. Give me your comments below on what you think of this, and let me know if you want me to do some more Einhell tools. I've got a good couple of Einhell tools that I've bought, and really they have saved me in my working environment, and I love the Einhell range, especially the battery range. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Come back soon. Let's see what we can do with more videos of these Einhell tools. God bless, stay well, keep safe. Thank you.